right, we got a beautiful Wildwood Heritage Glen, lots of storage. Got the winter package, got the rear cooker, LED lighting, solid steps. But look at this layout. This is awesome. The kids are gonna love this. Residential fridge, fireplace, TV, 2 ACs. But look at this. The 2 bunks in the back. Oh, they're gonna love it. Sleeper sofa. The dinette turns into a sleeper. But look at this. This is a beaut. What a great little kitchen nook right there. Beautiful bathroom. Private bedroom with washer and dryer connections. Another AC. This is a little beauty.